Eh mga kaibigan, wala mo ng gulay ngayon. Mag-carne muna. Goy, hugas na kamay ka. Hugas na kamay. Sige na. CJ, hugas kamay. CJ, go wash your hands now. Kay ate yan. Go CJ, hugas kamay.
What's that, Mommy?
Ha?
What's that, Mommy?
Tubig. Ayan. Ihaw-ihaw.
Here. He's opening it.
Sige na, kay mag... kain na kayo.
Mommy, I have the water.
You want that, water?
I'm so hungry.
Naghugas ka. CJ, hindi ka pa naghugas ng kamay.
Wash my hands. But that's the Holy Spirit. Amy, let's just all get distracted. Now you can learn it. Better than the Holy Spirit. And Medina.
Okay, baby. Give mama. Go wash your hands.
That's paid.
Ha?
That's paid.
Suka.
Yeah.
Sausaw.
She says sausage. She says sausage.
Okay, go wash. Hugas kamay ka. Magsawsawan.
Let's get some.
Magsawsawan muna si... Agoy. Si CJ. Magsuka din si CJ.
Put that too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yum.
Good?
Oh yeah.
Lagyan natin si CJ ng sausawan. Mag-share na lang kami nito.
It's good with cayenne.
Hala ka, ang dami. Hala, ang daming sausawan ni CJ. Ang dami. Ayan si Agoy mga kaibigan. Mahilig sa sausawan. Goy, put it closer to you, honey. CJ, naglaro na naman si Don Julio mga kaibigan ng tubig. Sus, mahilig talaga maglaro sa tubig. So, ayan, i-ready na natin yung kanilang baon. Ulam nila para bukas. Go ahead, CJ.
That's it, that's mine.
Do you want pickles?
Yes, please. And cayenne.
No, wala ng kanin, Goy. Bahaw lang yan. Wala nang natirang kanin.
Oh.
Wala ako ng pickles. Wala na ako kasi bahaw lang yan eh. Yun yung tira. Hindi na ako nagluto. Kasi akala ko. Si G's kanin. Baka ayaw niya yung kanin. Gusto lang niya kamote.
You want that or no? He said, you want cayenne? No?
CJ, gusto mo ng kanin? Ayan, okay na yan siya. Makaibigan ko lang tayo ng... Kasi mayroon namang kamote si CJ, oh. No? Okay. Okay, ayaw niya. Kuha tayo ng pipino. Gusto ni Agoy. Hello sa inyong lahat. Naghanda tayo kay kauwi lang ni Don Julio mula school. Kauwi lang niya at saka diretso na kain kaya nagutom na ang mga bulilit.
Mama, look!
What?
This is fucking
CJ, don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Okay. Ito pipino kay... You want pipino, CJ?
No. Mama, can I have some more of those things?
You have stuff, okay? Finish your food first.
That's what it is said.
You want some? Sige, akin na to.
Yeah. Mama, see this? Look.
Okay, meron akong kamote.
Look.
You want pipino? More? More?
A little bit.
Okay.
That's it. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. And someone CJ, what do you want, buddy? Huh?
You want kanin or no? Okay.
Okay.
Now you don't kanin is safer for me.
CJ, you want your kanin or no? O sige, kunin mo yung kanin ni CJ. CJ, you can go play and you can eat later. Go, go. Punta ka muna sa...
Now I'm safe.
Huh? You don't want kanin? Okay. Oh, sige na. Oh. May kamote ka. Oh. Okay. Ayan. Goy, goy. Don't touch CJ's food. Don't touch his food. Kasi magalit siya. Ayan mga kaibigan, ang mga bulilit. Kain tayo. What do you want, buddy? Isang sausawan. Balatan mo yung kamote. Bite.
Oh, look, Mama. Look.
Yeah, bite. Oh.
Yummy.
You have yours.
Oh, let's get them, Mama.
Here. Hawak mo, hawak. CJ?
Can we have juice?
Goy, I want you to finish the food and then later juice.
I'm thirsty. Yay.
May tubig dyan sa red cup.
No, I'm not.
Ito sa'yo dun. Ito sa'yo, kaya nabalatan ko na. Ah, ito, kaya nabalatan ko na. Hindi na.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Gusto pa rin niya yung kanya. Hinom ka ba yung kain tayo? Meron pala kaming pipino. Akala ko walang gulay. There's kamote, babe.
It's a good food. It's nice.
Ah! Sit properly, buddy. Christiana, what you doing? Just sit down.
Ow! That's the morning.
Hey, sa inyo lahat, good morning po. Hapunan pa kami dito. Kasi ma'am. He wants to sit closer to me. Oh. May pakis pa si Don Julio.
That's the morning.
Yes, babe. It's right there.
No.
It's a wrap, CJ?
Pagod si Dada.
Dad, are you sitting?
Pauwi lang ni Daddy.
It's a wrap.
Dad, are you going to sit?
Thank you, CJ.
The water. Dad, are you going to sit here?
It's your plate right there, babe.
Which
With
one?
the kamote.
Which
Hey,
one?
are you going to sit here? Are you going to sit? Oh my water. Dad, are you going to sit here?
Si G.
Water. Dad, are you going to sit here?
Yeah,
I don't
Daddy.
know, am I?
Yeah. Yeah. I have to eat or sit.
It's my fork?
No, Daddy.
Oh,
That's
nice.
yours, buddy.
No, Daddy.
Daddy has his thing.
Dada here. No.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Goy. Ayan mga kaibigan, pinaupo na ni Kasiana yung kanyang...
Cheers. I got one. Thank you. Must be his.
It is.
You eat mine. I eat yours. Here.
No. Daddy, ew. Mama, what's that? More.
Give it to CJ. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Yummy.
Here, buddy.
Get some water, I'm thirsty. Stop.
Get some water. It's right there, boy.
No.
Okay.
This is a daddy.
I'll give it to daddy. Okay, he wants to give it to you.
Thank you, CJ.
It's for you. Daddy is tired.
Yeah, I didn't get no sleep. Are you drinking the water I brought?
Yeah.
Is that mine? Is that daddy?
What? You wanna sit to daddy? Okay, go sit to daddy.
Where is your socks?
Bring your chair here.
Water.
Okay, bring your water, your chair, everything. Namiss nila ang kanilang tatay. Upo sila kay Chris lahat. Pasi ko siya na.
Water. That's good. Water.
No, thank you.
Oh, thank you, CJ. Thank you.
This is
Sarap?
Ang bait naman ni CJ, mga kaibigan. O, binigyan kami ng mga tubig. Malaki na sila, marunong na.
Now your water.
May dala si Dada Kano na ano. Okay, gusto natin yan mamaya yung kanyang pasalubong. Walang pagod si Chris kay walang tulog. Okay, thank you, CJ. Thank you.
Mm.
Mom.
What happened?
Sarap.
Hmm?
Uh-oh. You put that on me.
What happened? Finish your CJ. Ano na yan? What happened? Ano nangyari, guys?
Thank you. Pick it up. Where's it? Eat it.
Dad, isn't it the daddy?
Is it Emira's to daddy?
Can I have this?
Daddy? There's daddy?
Yeah.
There's daddy?
No, thank you, CJ.
I think the Shana is
There's
done.
mommy? Yours? Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, go. He's gay.
There's mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Daddy, can I have some? Can I have a little bit of those?
Of what?
One of those. This one.
It's right here.
Oh, okay.
Is that the there's one?
Okay, thank you, CJ.
Mr. Daddy!
Oh, that's for Dada. Oh, sorry.
He knew that was his. You looked at it?
He wants you to eat it. Go eat it because he's watching it. You love your daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, go kiss daddy. Give a kiss to daddy.
Oh, thank you.
How about Gagay?
She doesn't love daddy.
Can I have some pipino, guy? Thank you.
Dad, there's dog. There's no milk. Throw it back, Daddy.
Eat the food.
There's the dad. Right here. There's Daddy.
How was school?
Yeah.
Are you a big boy? What did you learn today?
Right there, Daddy.
Oh, yeah? What did you learn today?
Yeah.
You always say yup. You said yup.
And yeah.
Was Christiana a good girl today?
Yeah.
Was CJ a good boy today?
Yep.
Was Machina there today?
No.
No? Finally, he said no.
I didn't see her. I didn't see Michelle.
TJ, leave it!
That's okay, honey.
He gonna figure it out now.
Hmm?
Nope, he didn't.
He's okay.
Dad, who ate your food? Who ate your food?
You eat some more, CJ.
He's not hungry. I think maybe they have birthday in school.
You're gonna have some? Yeah. Oh my god. Someone? More.
What do you say?
One more.
What do you say?
Thank you. Thank you. That's it.
Thank you, CJ.
Good?
Oh, thank you, CJ.
Good?
Thank you so much.
Sure, put it there.
Oh.
That's it.
Uh-oh.
Look.
Babe, get the rest. He doesn't want it.
Can I have some? Thank you. That's it.
Drink some tubig.
That pork's good in the air fryer.
Hala, si Deshana.
There's some
Oo,
water, Daddy.
hala.
Water? Yeah?
Wow, gihigop ni Deshana yung ano, oh.
No
Toyo.
water, Daddy? Daddy, you want the water, Daddy?
Goy? Goy.
No water?
No, thank you.
Goy, goy.
There's water? Yeah?
Deshana, you don't do that.
There's water, Mommy?
Yes.
It tastes good.
Come on, you sir. Wrap.
I like that.
Where's CJ's bottle? CJ, you... Oh. Okay.
Did you watch that? That's a new cup.
You want juice?
Yeah.
How you ask?
May I have juice, please?
Oh, yeah.
I don't want it.
How do you ask, CJ?
I got
Juice, please. Why? Can I please some juice?
Yes.
Ice. Can I have that ice too?
No, Goy, we're gonna melt it.
mine.
Here, Daddy. You want some, baby?
Sit down. No, thank you. Sit down, CJ. Sit down.
Goy. We're gonna melt the juice, so
careful,
you
don't
have
spill.
more juice for later.
Syrup? That orange juice?
Yes. Orange juice.
Whack, 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 whack.
Dada bring some ducky for the kids.
Juice?
Juice.
It's good, Ducky. This is yummy, Daddy.
Good.
Daddy gave me only one duck.
Wish they give me more than one cup.
Oh, they only give you one?
Uh-huh.
Why only one?
That's what they put in the bag.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
That's a nice bag too, babe.
Yeah, you can have it.
Ah!
Yeah. You eat it.
Did you look at your Dutch oven yet?
That's
Did you look at your Dutch oven yet?
Ma'am Gia Gons. Masarap daw, ma'am, sabi ni Agoy-Agoy.
Did you look at that?
Masarap daw ba? Sabi ni Agoy-Agoy, walang matira. Basta lutong bahay, gusto niya.
That is a nice bag.
Yeah, it's nice.
That'd be good for the beach, too.
Yeah.
They have this.
May mga dalang bag si Chris, mga kaibigan, oh, galing sa meeting niya. At saka mayroon siyang gifts, oh. At saka mayroon siyang dalang mga baso. Maganda to ng mga baso dahil babe, we need to empty that bin. CJ, finish it first. Huwag kang magbay. Sit down. Hindi pa tapos. Huwag magmadali. Tapusin mo muna. Sige. Maganda ito mga kaibigan, yung mga plastic ay tignan mo, oh. Hindi basta-bastang mabasag. O sige po, magandang araw. Maghugas na ako ng plato. Goy! Nag-hide and seek na sila. Sige po, thank you. Magandang araw. Ayun na si Chris mga kaibigan. O, nag-empty na siya doon.
Trouble staying awake driving. I had to stop a couple times to walk around.
Really?
I'm tired. I get no sleep.
You can have sleep tonight.
I was waking up at 2 a.m. The bed is so uncomfortable.
Oh, sige po, ingat. Bye-bye.